my boys are digging a hole. One is supervising, and the other one's actually learning how to use a shovel. We're getting prepared to plant the bamboo right there. This is a new product. It's actually a barrier. You put around it to make sure the rhizomes, the root system. This is a runner, not a clumper. Doesn't take over half of the backyard.
Good job.
Huh?
Good job.
Good enough. That broke? It's okay.
Alright, so all we gotta do is put this other piece in. I'm trying to use one hand, it's a little challenging, but and this other side right here.
As a mom, I know how much it means when my family celebrates me on Mother's Day. I cherish every hug, every card, and every pamper circle. Give mom something she can.
David, can you give me a hammer? But anyways, that's the idea.
Barrier for bamboo trees, something that's going to make sure 24 inches deep, but the roots do not grow outside of the container.
I wanted to show something. Hold on, David, hold on.
You see this right here in the bamboo, this is the root, and bamboos have clumpers and they have runners. I believe there's over 8,000 species of bamboos worldwide. Some, I think, are timber and grow 3 feet each day. Chinese used to torture people by cutting it at the angle and let the bamboo grow through a person overnight. But anyways, as you can see, this is what the root system of a runner does. It continues to go, go, go. So once it meets the plastic, it's gonna continue going around the plastic. That's why I made this box bigger. So there's some room for it to grow this way and this way. And where I have placed it, so it's not going into the deck or under the deck, but actually outside. And then you can just thin it out, prune it out. Anybody that doesn't like bamboo doesn't know much about it, but I love bamboo. You just need to know exactly how to take it. Yep. This is the box. And another tip is when you put the barrier, you want to make sure this guy is not too low, because the roots can still go over. Now, you can see that the root bowl is almost the same height, but this will settle because of the soil underneath. So this will probably settle by about an inch, inch and a half. And this guy up here is going to be right at the top. So if you end up mulching or doing anything to the plant, don't put too much crap. So you start not seeing this. You want to be able to see the guard. See, it's a little bit higher. Okay, started from wanted to plant a bamboo and a barrier around it. Ended up doing the whole bed. It's the first time in a long time I didn't have to go buy the boulders. I just got them from the backyard. And, most of the plants here, so all of the plants here, I already had here, so it turned out not bad. Still gotta watch the slide right here because of dirt. My barrier.